really pity those who look up to the former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua for leadership. And I think the man has abandoned reasoning of late with his latest outburst. What he's calling for and what he's doing is generously offering Kenya as an open-air crime scene where foreign powers can come and conduct Venezuela-like attacks or raids. But what he should know is that Kenya is not a failed state. Kenya is not Venezuela. And this coming from the man who until recently occupied the second most powerful office in the land is really unfortunate. What he is doing to the Somali community is nothing short of dehumanization. We've seen dehumanization before. We've seen it in Rwanda before the genocide. We have seen it elsewhere. What Rigathi Gachagua is doing to the Somali community is dehumanization, and we'll call it by its name. And we need him to cease. The Somali community is operating legal businesses in this country. Hardworking entrepreneurs who are setting up in creative ways all kinds of enterprises, obeying the law, paying their taxes, now calling upon foreign powers to come and attack these people, associating legal businesses with frauds that have happened long after the alleged frauds that
nobody has proved anything.
Alleged frauds conducted by people of all nationalities in a land so far away as the United States. I mean, I think just echoing what my colleague said, Rigathi Gachagua needs to have a long conversation with professionals who help people regain their reasoning. Thank you.